Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video. I have the final unboxing video for you today for the month of February, and this is the Tribe Beauty Box. There we go. This is a bi-monthly subscription. They are a US based brand, but they do have a UK website, which of course I will link down below. I have, this is the third box that I've now received. It's $37.99 every 2 months. So if you equate that per month, it's £19 a month. The value of these boxes is normally around about the £50 to £60 mark, maybe even a little higher. So anyway, let's get into this unboxing. Let's see what we've got this month. I'm not 100% sure what's in here. I have just watched Annette from Annette's Makeup Corner. She lives in Vegas, so obviously she's US based, and she's just unboxed, and I have watched that. If we've got the same things, I'll talk a little bit more about that at the end, but anyway, here we go. What we got in there. Whoops, there's this card that tells us what we've got and the value of everything. So you've seen that, I haven't. We have, okay. Excuse me, I feel like I'm about to sneeze, so if I suddenly cut, that's because I've sneezed. Okay, so the February 2020 is a soft glam box. Here we go. There's your card that you get. I'll refer to this as we go along. That's actually unusual because we don't normally get a card in that tells us like the value of everything. So that's actually quite a nice improvement. First things first, we have this here. This is by a company, oh no, right. It's called Surloom by Babe Lash, so that must be the company. And it's a lash serum. Direct. The value of this is $29.99, so that equates to around about the £23 mark. Let's have a look. Let's see. I'm going to show you the inside. That's what it looks like inside. I'm going to see if I can get this out really carefully. There we go. That's what the inner packaging looks like. So I assume it's like a wand or a brush or something on the end. I'm not actually going to open it up. I'm not, because we got a lash serum in, was it January's Birchbox? And I have been using that, and to be perfectly honest, I'm not overly impressed. For me personally, I'd say the only difference I found with my lashes from using it is that I don't get as much shedding of my eyelashes as I used to do. I don't think it's improved the thickness, I don't think it's improved the length. So for me in particular, and I didn't like the feel of the oil on my eyes, it was nah, but that's potentially not a product I'm going to use, but you know, fair enough. The next product in the bag, or in the box even, is by The Balm Cosmetics. Now I have heard of this company. I've also heard mixed reviews about it as well. Some say it's quite good, the product quality, others are like, yeah. This is worth $15, which is around about the £12 mark, and it's Read by Lips. It's a lip gloss, and it looks like the shade name is Smart Mouth. Oh, the shade is Pow. There we go. And super cute packaging. I like the packaging, but that colour, it's not really me. It's also a lip gloss, which is not me. So I'm not going to open it, I'm not going to swatch it. A nice product to have, and it is a nice bright colour, and it's nice to see brighter colours in a subscription box rather than just your nudes, and which are they're nice, but they're a bit boring, let's face it. So that is nice, but anyway, not for me. Now then, the next one, right. This is by a company called Iconic Beauty. Now, this is a glow stick, and we had a choice with this month's box as to whether we wanted a blur stick or a glow stick. And I know damn well that I chose choice one, which was the blur stick. The value of this is $15, and this company, apparently it's supposed to be very, very similar to Milk, but a lot cheaper. But it's annoyed me. I asked for the blur stick because I wanted to see how that would work as a primer underneath, because I'm always looking for things like that, and I've got the glow stick. So I didn't want a glow stick, I wanted a blur one. I might email the company, I don't know what I'm going to do about that yet, but anyway, there we go. Next thing out the box is in some bubble wrap, and this looks to be, what's this? This is, okay, the make is Earth Harbour. It's a Lunar Lie Phyto Resurfacing Night Serum with seaweed collagen and superfruit acids. Okay, it's a 30ml bottle, so I assume that's full size, and it looks like it's got a pipette dropper. There we go, there's the outer packaging. Let's see what it says about this. The value of this is $54. $54, that works out at about £45, something like that, for a serum. It says, a rich featherlight serum featuring seaweed collagen, tropical superfruit acids and botanical multivitamins that retexturize skin to reveal a more radiant looking complexion, all while you enjoy your precious beauty sleep. Okay, alright, well, I do have some other serums and things that I've got ready and waiting in my skincare box upstairs. So I might keep that, and I might just try that. I like the fact it's got the seaweed in, because seaweed, I do know, is very, very good. Particular types of seaweed are very, very good at absorbing oil. So I'm interested. My interest is piqued by this. Let's just say that. And let's okay, next products in the box, we have two, not just one, two Luxie brushes. This is the eye brush 111 and 237, classic blending brush, and a mini flat angled brush as well. The value of these two is $24. So I have got a Luxie brush that we got in, we got it in a subscription box, can't remember which one, but I have got a Luxie brush, and it's an angled sort of blusher brush, and it's really nice and soft. There's no weight to these brushes at all. That is proper feather light. It is a very, very nice small taper brush, and it's quite soft and fluffy. The bristles are very, very long, so literally as a blending brush, absolutely. For actually applying, it might be a bit, the bristles might be a bit long, but we'll keep hold of it. Whether or not I'm going to say these are worth $12 each, which is like just over £9 each, I don't think so. This is quite nice. It's actually quite a thick liner brush, which I quite like, I think. Quite dense. That could be quite nice for getting, sort of when I like doing my crease and out that way. Because most of my liner brushes are actually very, very thin. If I hold it on the side, you might be able to see how thick it is. Yeah, that's actually quite interesting. I quite like that. Anyway, nice to have brushes. I am not complaining. I love my brushes. I love getting brushes in subscription boxes, so I am pleased those are in there. Next item, okay. This is by Wonder Beauty. This is the Wondrous Fling palette, and its value is $25 US. Now, first of all, that packaging is gorgeous, very, very spring inspired. Absolutely love that. However, the colours themselves are on the back here. Now this palette, the box is sealed, and I'm not going to undo it, because other than this one here, this orchid shade, everything else in here is very, very neutral, very, very pale, pastel. It's not me. It is not a me palette at all. Absolutely no chance. And the next thing in the bag is this one. So this is, comes in a thingy. This is a makeup bag, and it's a holographic. Ooh, yeah. Oh, that's funky. Right, it's a holographic makeup bag. I'm trying to find. There we go. This is by Tribe Beauty themselves, and apparently this is worth $20, $19.99. So convert that to English, you're looking at about £15–16. It has a gold handle that is detachable, which you can pop on the end. Makeup bags are always handy to have. I am not upset by this at all. I'm just trying to open it out. It looks like a really, really decent size actually. Rectangular bag. There's the depth of it there. Love the holographic iridescence of it. Love the colours that's coming out. Yes, I'm going to keep that. Yes, I'm going to use it. Would I pay $20 for it? No. No, it's a plastic makeup bag. I've seen these in Superdrug over Christmas, and I think they were £6. You know, obviously not with Tribe Beauty on, but the same idea, the holographic type of makeup bag. And like I say, I'm pretty sure they were £6 or £4 each. So paying £15–16, no. But am I pleased it's in the box? Yes. Again, makeup bags are always handy when you go travelling, things like that. So let's recap. Let's add everything up and see what we think about this box. So, $20 for the makeup bag. $25 for the palette, so that's $45. $24 for the two brushes, so that's $69. We have got the serum, 69, that was $54, so that's what, $123. The, what should have been the blur stick, but is actually the glow stick, is $15, so what was I on? So that's $138, sorry, I get there in the end, $138, that's worth $30, so that's $168, and then the lip gloss is $15, so what was I on, $168 I was on, wasn't I? So plus another $15, so it's $183 worth. $183 worth of product in a box that's cost me £38. You cannot be upset by that whatsoever. This has got to be one of actually the highest value boxes I think I've had from them. So from that point of view, absolutely top marks, brilliant. The range of products, I think there's a great range. You've got the skincare, two skincare items in your lash serum and your facial serum. You've got the highlighting stick, you've got the palette, you've got the brushes to apply it, and you've got the lip gloss, and you've got it all in a bag to keep it all in. So as a curated box, I actually think this is very well thought out, very good. However, am I going to cancel my Tribe subscription? I think I am. It's one of the more, it's the second most expensive box that I do. And to be honest, I kind of think I could put that money elsewhere to another subscription box. I've got my eye on one actually, a candle subscription box, because I do love my candles. Also, the company itself, they don't, this is a bi-monthly box, and they don't, unlike Rockerbox and in particular Birchbox, where Birchbox you get a choice of, like this month we've had a choice, for next month's box we've had a choice of 3 different liquid eyeshadows that we could choose from, and they always email you and say, right now it's time to choose your option, what would you like, blah blah blah. Tribe Beauty don't do that. They don't do that. They don't communicate with you. So what you have to do is you have to keep going on their website to see, you know, when the next box is coming. Plus, they take your money on the 1st of the month. They do not even start shipping until the 15th of the month. And I received my box on Friday the 21st. So almost 3 weeks after they took my money, I then received my box. They don't email you to tell you when the box is coming out and that you need to make your choice of the products. They don't email you when it's on its way. When you go into your account online, like I was doing from the 15th, in fact, I went on yesterday on the 22nd, the day after I've received my box, and my order was still saying unfulfilled rather than fulfilled. The only way I knew it was on its way was when I got an email from Whistle, which is part of Yodel, the delivery company, to say it was on its way. You know, Tribe Beauty hadn't communicated with me in any way, shape or form. You should get the other thing that I have noticed with them as well, and I noticed this after my first box in October, was as soon as literally it came to November, you go onto their website, go into the shop, and the items that were in that box, which was the Suva Artisan palette and the Wonder Beauty Lip Setter Duo, had all been drastically reduced in price. So the Artisan palette, Suva Artisan palette, had been knocked down in price from £35 to £17.50, and the Wonder Beauty Lip Setter Duo, that was should have been £22 or £25, were down to a £5. Now, I don't know, I just feel a bit peeved about that. You're paying £38 for a box, you think you're getting like these products that are of a really, really immense value, and then you find out a couple of weeks later that actually you can buy them off of their shop for a heck of a lot less. So, I don't know, it just irked me a bit when I found that out. So I kind of ummed and ahed about getting the December box. It was only because I saw the Cleona brushes that were in there that I decided to get it. This time, yeah. I mean, like I say, for me, I don't know. I mean, in all honesty, the products that I'm going to use, the bag, the brushes, to me, I mean, it says those are alone are worth $44, which is like £35, which is roughly what I've paid for it. I wouldn't personally pay that for those items. So, although I think it's a nice box, it's been well thought out, there's a little bit of everything, but it's just not for me. And I think, like I say, the issues that I've got with them, with the company themselves, the lack of communication, not sending the products that I've asked for, I'm not overly impressed by them as a company. I've had that feeling from day one, that gut instinct, that gut feeling from day one, and I'm a big believer in you should always trust your instincts. So I do think this is going to be the last one that I do. I'm going to cancel it, and like I say, I will either save those pennies or I will put them towards something else. Anyway, sorry this has been a longer unboxing video than normal. I just wanted to air my little bit of a grievances that I'd got. I hope you don't mind. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please let me know your thoughts and feelings down in the comments section. Do you get the Tribe Beauty box? What's your experience with them? How do you feel about it? Thank you for watching, as always. If you are new to my channel, the warmest of welcomes. If you're not already, I would love it if you'd consider subscribing. I do unboxings, I do makeup looks, palette bingos, 3 looks, 1 palette, all sorts of different crazy things. If you'd like to check out some of my other content, I will pop a couple of options up here for you now. And enjoy the rest of your day, everybody. I shall see you in the next one. Bye.